In campaigns, there are multiple ways to organize and filter your campaigns. By default, the Campaigns view is set to show all campaigns, but you can choose to filter them by type or by status. You can also use folders to help organize your campaigns. To create a new folder, click on the Folders menu and from the drop-down, select New Folder. Give the folder a name and press Enter to create it. If you need to rename a folder, you can do so by selecting Manage from the Folders menu. Click the Edit icon beside that folder and enter in the new name. Click Done once you've made your changes. To delete a folder, you can do so from the same menu, simply selecting the bin icon next to the folder that you'd like to delete. Once a folder is deleted, if there were any campaigns contained inside, they will be considered unfiled. To add a campaign to a folder, select the campaign or campaigns you wish to add and select the Move To option. Click the folder you'd like to add these campaigns to and they'll be added immediately. Remember, a campaign can only be added to one folder. If you add a campaign that already exists in one folder to another, it'll be moved from the original folder and added to the new one. Now you can keep your campaigns organized exactly how you'd like.